All right, guys, in yesterday's video, I recorded part one of this video. It is very important for you guys to watch the entire video first. This one, part one, you can go to my channel. It's right there. It's called Bitcoin and Crypto Holders Must Watch This, okay? And I'm going to probably have the same title for this video, part two. You need to watch this, and I'm going to, because I recorded the whole thing, and this part is the second part, but I want to add this that if a lot of you guys are concerned about Bitcoin's price right now, this is the monthly chart. If you guys remember this, whenever I said, whenever we have a different color of candle and we close a monthly candle above all of them, although I wish that we close it above $108,000 for the monthly candle, this red candle would have been a very good support. But it's still, we can see that it is a kind of a neutral type of candle, so it's not that bullish, not that bearish, okay? But because we are going back above this level, I would say that we need to hold above $96,000 where these bodies of the candles are. We see two of them for 2 months, so we can still get a good support from here and continue to go higher. Usually February is a bullish month, okay? So I'm optimistic about this month, but as I said, we still need to know that if we're gonna break this three cycle resistance, okay? 2017 cycle, 2021 cycle, and now we are stuck below it, okay? Can we break it? Still, we don't know. I just want to show you guys, as long as we are staying above $96,000, this can only work as a pullback. But continuation of the video that I said, we covered that a lot of the altcoins still went higher, although market was just going either sideways and Ethereum was just going sideways, but a lot of them started rallying even around February 1st and 2nd. Okay, so watch the entire video for this video, but go back and watch this one first. I would suggest come back to this video because this is going to be very important. Make sure you are subscribed, guys. We analyze everything together. I do not talk about hopium stuff. These are all facts and numbers, okay? So make sure you're subscribed and please hit the like button right now and support the channel. Go ahead and watch. And these are only about the coin that was going to be huge, okay? A lot of altcoins are not going to be as huge. But if one of the signs I have told my members even, when you guys see that a lot of altcoins are listed in a lot of exchanges, which I'm going to show you guys always want to search the coin that you want to do a little bit of research on, okay? And go to markets in here. In coin market cap, you guys see that a lot of these exchanges had listed these coins. A lot of the exchanges had not listed these coins, but as ADA started taking off, a lot of them added them because they wanted to make money from these trading volumes. So basically, if you were doing trading, they were going to make money off of the fees. So they were obviously going to list ADA or any of the newer altcoins that are around right now, which they were not around in the last bull cycle. Okay, so ADA started making 4 green candles and then started going sideways. Okay, AVAX was the same thing around February 1st. This, if you guys were around in the last bull cycle, it made the all-time high of $152 almost, okay? But it did not do as well as ADA. So the reason I'm giving you a lot of examples of bigger altcoins and smaller altcoins, because depending on when they were listed on a lot of exchanges, based on their news, based on the hype around them, and how good they were developing, they were attracting a lot of buyers. So that's why they have different charts, okay? But at the end, by end of 2021, when we started seeing the altcoins going down as well as Bitcoin, you guys see that they started still going and making newer all-time highs, okay? So that's why I am saying, I have been telling my members that I am not going to care about these smaller declines for short term, because we are going to still see that BTC dominance is gonna drop eventually because we have a lot of resistance. Just imagine in the last bull cycle, a lot of the people who did not believe that we're not gonna have probably altcoin season, and we saw just BTC dominance going higher, a lot of people did not get into altcoins and went and they missed out on all of these crash for BTC dominance, and altcoins rally, right? So that's why I have been telling my members that even if we are losing money short term, we need to DCA and bring down our average price for the altcoins we're buying. Okay. So as you guys see, AVAX made another weekly candle green, but it started going down and it went sideways for a while until May, which it started declining heavily with Bitcoin. If you guys remember, around this time, after around May, Bitcoin did a 57% decline, which if we want to just get an example from AVAX, it declined 879%. Okay, but you guys see that after a while, after several weeks or 3 months, it started going higher, even made a higher high. It's like nothing has ever happened. So if you even bought your AVAX around this area, and you lost a lot of money, you still could have made a lot more money than where you had lost it. So if you, that's why holders are going to win at the end, but it does not mean that you're going to hold it forever, because you're going to eventually see that decline, and it's going to happen, and it's going to go below where you bought it. Okay, that's why because of that, I am giving you February 1st, because right now, if you are buying a lot of altcoin, same stuff can happen for you, but you can miss out on a lot of the good pumps that a lot of altcoins are gonna do, because you do not know which ones are gonna pump like this. Okay, that's why I am not selling any of my altcoins and I'm still holding. So XRP did not really do well. It was just going sideways, but it did not really decline as much as AVAX did. But if you guys see that XRP till mid-May, where we started seeing that decline for BTC and altcoins as well, XRP did the same thing as the other altcoins, but it had a huge pump before that. Okay, so you guys see that a lot of altcoins are gonna still do stuff like this. Okay, Ethereum is the same thing. Ethereum is still going higher, and if you want to look at the February 1st around this area, although Ethereum was declining against Bitcoin, but it's still on the price, it was going higher. And of course, when it got to mid-May, everything crashed with BTC. Okay, so you guys see that. So Bitcoin, basically the difference was we had a huge spike and then decline and then went sideways for a while and went down. But Ethereum kept going higher because of this chart that you guys see. Because of this chart that we kept going higher for Ethereum till mid-March. That's why Ethereum overperformed or outperformed BTC in here. Okay, so you guys see how related all these charts are together. We're gonna look at Solana. Solana was gonna be one of the biggest, and it did so great in the last bull run. From what, this is actually market by market cap, but from 1.5 billion dollars till mid-May, it went higher, almost how many percent? It did 1,158%. Basically did almost 11x. 11x for Solana. I am not going to tell you guys that you guys need to buy these coins, okay? These are just examples of some of the coins that were existing in the last bull market, but they were a lot lower in market cap, less than 100, less than 50 million market cap. BAT is a browser. It's a Brave browser. It's called Brave browser. If you search about it in Google Play, you can download that app and use it, okay? So it started going higher because it had use case. It started going higher till almost around 10th of May, same as other altcoins and Bitcoin, and it started declining. And if you look at the percentage, almost the same thing, 70 something percent. So we need to make sure that we need to watch out for what is happening around April and May. Okay, of course, nothing is going to be exactly the same thing happening, but we need to look at what can happen. We just have to look at the history of what happened. Okay, April, if you guys look in here, it was crazy. It was just going higher and higher and higher. And that's why I'm saying that altcoins we are buying with our members, same thing can happen without any expectations, okay? And almost the same thing for CHR. If I'm not wrong, it's called Chromie or something like that. So it did almost the same thing. If you guys see that, it only made one weekly red candle, but everything, just look at this one week of spike, almost from here to here, if we want to consider the wicks, it did 14x. 14x for your money is a lot of money, okay? And it only did it up to, this happened in March. And also, guys, I want to really show you guys that why you guys should not only get into 5 to 10 coins, because we have over 36 million coins out there right now. Okay, it is, I just asked ChatGPT and it said that by end of 2025 it is predicted to get to 100 million tokens. Okay, so that's why each of these coins are taking a little bit of share of the market, total market cap, and that is going to make it so competitive for the coins. And we might not see a lot of huge spikes for a lot of the altcoins. That's why you need to buy more coins for your basket so you catch some spikes like this. Okay, a lot of you guys have seen that you did not buy into some of these coins that they have done over 1000x. Okay, so that's why you need to catch these coins by getting into going for market cap. For example, look at the market, see how much volume they have, how many exchanges they are in, so they have a better chance of succeeding in this bull market. Okay, so this video was just to show you guys what can happen in the soon future. And again, if you want to look at BTC, guys, I even mentioned in the Telegram group, if you want to go to 4-hour chart, I made this, I had a screenshot. Go ahead and join the free Telegram group. I connected all these closed candles together, these two, and then all the way down. And you guys see that the reason it's not passing is because of this line. Okay, so far I said, and that's why I said, as long as we are staying above $105,000, we are gonna see ATH. But as long as we're not staying above that, we're gonna probably go to $101,000. Okay, so that's why you see that there's a good chance that even go lower short term. Okay, but because in the daily, if you want to look at it, we had 3 waves down already, and we are in the bullish wave. So this is the second wave that is going to be complete, and hopefully we're going to go for higher prices. Okay, so let's just see what's going to happen. As long as we're not losing 100k around this area where this red candle is, we are going to be fine, and we're going to see higher prices. If we lose 100, almost 800, if we lose that, guys, we're going to most likely see lower prices, and that's going to get a lot of altcoins melted as well as Ethereum. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. Please hit the subscribe and like button right now. Comment down below what you think, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.